Hey guys, welcome to Surprise Egg Saturday, and for today we have a giant Elsa egg. Elsa is one of the coolest characters from the Frozen movie, quite literally. She can control the snow. It is super cool, and we love Frozen. This is one of our favorite Disney movies, and if you like Frozen, be sure to give a thumbs up as well. And without further ado, let's dive into this egg. Alright, first up, let's start by getting this up. Awesome. Next, let's take the hair off. Careful, careful. Awesome, got it. Super cool. Next up, let's get the rest of Elsa. Wow. Love the eyes. Probably my favorite part. Alright, now we gotta tear into this Play-Doh shell. Ooh, I already see a Frozen toy. Sweet. Ooh, we got some eggs too. Awesome. Is that Shopkins? I think I see some Minions too. Yeah, we got Frozen, Minions, Shopkins, bunch of surprise eggs. Ooh, we got a Disney toy as well. Sweet. A lot of stuff. Won't even let me open. There we go. Oh no, it's gonna fall. Wasn't as bad as I thought it'd be. Stuff didn't fall everywhere. Oh, no way. We got Marshmallow, Elsa's personal bodyguard. This guy is an enchanted snowman, and he's kind of scary looking. Let's set him over here. Now let's try this one. This is a golden egg. Ooh, gold. Oh, do you know who this is? We got Tinkerbell, Disney character from Peter Pan. Now let's check out this. It is a Funko Disney Mimoji, and we can get all these cool characters. So awesome. Let's see who we got. Ooh, we got Bambi. And Bambi's got some hearts for eyes. Pretty excited, pretty happy. And I want to check out this Disney Frozen Funko Mystery Minis. And here's all of them that we can get. There's a lot of them. Wow. Guys, who is your favorite Frozen character? I want to know down below in the comments. And let's see who we got. See, the box doesn't feel too heavy, so I think we got a lighter character. But let's find out. So I get the outer wrap off, then we gotta open the box. Then there's gonna be a bag as well. Once we get this bag open, we'll know. Cut, and what did we get? Ooh, we got Olaf. Yeah. Olaf is another one of my favorite Disney characters. He is so silly. And this guy is a 1 out of 12 chance. So you'll see about one of him for every box, because there's 12 in a box. Ooh, Sophia the First. That is an awesome looking dress. Look at all those details. Wow. Got a little tiara too. Super cute. Wow. Set her up here. And now let's check out this Shopkins Season 7 blind box. Comes with 2 Shopkins. And here's the checklist. There's the rarity. Got some surprise party. Got some Topkins as well. PJ party. Picnic party. Lots of parties. Princess party. And the backside. fancy dress party, summer pool party, wedding party, disco party, and we even have some limited editions. So let's see who we got. Just gotta cut this open. And oh, we got Felipe Flowers. Super cool. Wearing those sunglasses too, that's pretty cute. kinda has like a celebrity vibe. Alright, let's see who's in this one. Ah, we got a rare. This is Charlotte Shades. I love the see-throughness. And is that like a pineapple? I think that's so cool. Awesome. We got a rare. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, we got another Disney Funko Mimoji. And this time we got Anna. That is awesome. And she looks super happy. Set Anna up here. I want to check out this Despicable Me Series 7 Mega Bloks blind bag with all of them we can get right here. That plunger one looks super funny. Alright, let's see which one we got. Oh, I put together real quick. Here we go. Looks like he took a levitating potion or something to make him float. Wow, minions are so funny. Ooh, this kind of looks like a Mash'ems capsule. Ooh, because it is a Mash'ems capsule. We got Twilight Sparkle from My Little Pony. Bobble, bobble, bobble. Head can stretch and squish. Stretch, stretch. Wow, love it. Alright, let's check out this. We have another surprise egg. Ooh, oh no way, we got an ELSA action figure. That is amazing. Wow, I love that dress. So cool. That is awesome. Alright, and now we have a Series 3.2 Noms. Can't wait to see who we get. First, let's check out this checklist of all of them we can get. Ooh, a watermelon. Nice. Oh, look at that rainbow one. That's so cool. And the backside, this is Series 1 lights. Ooh. Alright. Let's cut this guy open and see who we got. Oh, we got Mia Mango. Nice. And, oh, no way. We got a special edition gloss up. We got the glitter gloss up. That is so cool. Wow, I am super surprised we got that. That's one of the rare ones. Man, we got all kinds of cool stuff for today. And I want to know, which toy that we opened today was your favorite that we got? Was it Twilight Sparkle? Was it the glitter gloss up? Or the Num Num Minion? We got Shopkins and a bunch of Disney toys. So cool. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Be sure to hit that subscribe button for a new video every day and to become part of the Trusty Toy team. Also, don't forget to watch our last video that we made yesterday. And we can't wait to see you guys soon.